so far away from home and still feel like I'm at home. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We had the time of our lives tonight. On the stage is a world-class talent. He's traveled the world and I believe he's one of the best DJs on planet Earth. Give it up for Mr. Movie! And I've worked with so many different musicians across the planet, and these guys up here on the stage are some of the world's best musicians. Give it up for my band, y'all! All the coolest people on the planet. And up here on this stage, I promise you all the world's best. Give it up for my dancers, y'all! And we can't mention dance without mentioning these guys. They've taken the world by storm and have changed the face of dance forever. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Light Twins!
International superstar with over 250 million records sold, 77 platinum singles, more than 100 billion views on YouTube. The amazing, the incredible, the brilliant, the showstopper, the hardest working man in showbiz, Jason DERULO.
I hope tonight was the beginning of a new age for all of us. I want us to go after everything that we've always dreamed of with everything that we've got. Anything that's on your mind that you want, that you feel like you should have or that your family should have, I want you to go after it with everything that you got. I love you.
Goodbye song, bro. Goodbye song.
65, baby.
If I woke up with you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be to you forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling on and back. I'll keep it, me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you love me was to get back to myself again before you leave. I would never even care. Baby, I know she creepy, I really am. Shine like that for fire. Stuck in good bad. I should fight. So that you hate, jump me on. How you does it?